Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Brother DCP-J525W. Now this is nice and simple. Going to open the printer itself, using nothing but the screen and the buttons you can see here. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make the button presses I make very clear so you can change it regardless of what language your printer is currently in and what language you'd like it changed to. Now to get started we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which should look like this. If you're not already here, just press the home button found on the right hand side to be taken here. Now we go into menu, which is represented by this little cog and screwdriver symbol here. And once in there, we're going to press down on here once, twice. And once you've gone down 2 pages, we need the bottom option, which is initial setup. Press to that second option. And then we're going to press down again once. And there's only one option here, which is local language. So we press to go into there. And here we have a full list of all the different languages the printer uses. English is the very top one. So find the language you want, press into it, and you're done. Hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.